Hey everyone! Today we've got a special DIY project lined up for you. We're going to tackle a little issue that cropped up on our trusted electric bike. On a recent day when rain was pouring down like crazy, I had a flat tire on my bike, which forced me to take the subway to work. But that wasn't the end of it. While inspecting the tire, I found a nail stuck in it. So I decided to do a thorough checkup. During that process, I noticed the motor cable connection was corroded. It seems like too much current was flowing, causing the temperature to rise. Today we're going to replace this corroded connection with a new one that allows better current flow and, most importantly, ensures safety. It might not look as pretty, but safety comes first.